Hi, if you have experience in graphic design, branding, website creation, and development, then this site may be the right place for you to find a job. Today, I'm going to tell you about the best option in the freelance websites category. I will tell you 7 useful life hacks that few people know about, but which make this service the best in the category of freelance sites. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like it. Now take a close look at the screen so you don't miss out the essentials.
Toptel is an exclusive global network of leading freelance software developers, designers, financial experts, and project managers. Leading companies rely on Toptel freelancers for their most important projects, which they cannot maintain in-house or which they simply choose to outsource. One of the biggest benefits of Toptel is that you are guaranteed access to 3% of the top freelancers who turn to Toptel. Toptel has a very strict selection process, and they go through this process to identify the best freelancers. They prioritize getting you a good freelancer and therefore make it difficult for people to get jobs as a Toptel freelancer. Toptel employees pride themselves on being experts in their fields and they enthusiastically seek out problem solvers. They are looking for people they would like to work with. The first step in the selection process is a comprehensive linguistic, personal, and communication interview. Applicants must be very good at reading, writing, and speaking English. They also need to have a good personality that shows passion and drive. This is the first part of the hiring funnel, and just over 26% of people go through this round. The next step is to check that the skills meet the requirements. They seek technical knowledge, problem-solving ability, and intelligence through various assessments. They only accept the best talent, and only 7.4% of candidates make it through this round. After testing the skills, it was time to watch the live stream. The selections are carried out by experts in each field. Each selection officer conducts interactive exercises covering the main topics in the candidate's main area of expertise. Each candidate is assigned a test project to assess their skills. Test projects provide candidates with real-world scenarios demonstrating their competence, thoroughness, professionalism, and decency within usually 1 to 3 weeks, and only 3% of candidates pass the exam. This ensures that when you hire a freelancer at Toptel, they can do what they say they can do. Toptel employees must not only complete an initial test project, but must maintain an impeccable track record when working with clients. Another advantage of Toptel is that you don't have to guess when applying for a job. When you hire someone yourself, it is difficult to find out this information. When you use a service like Toptel, you know you are getting the best of the best and you don't have to do the hard work. If you're looking to hire someone quickly or just for a few projects, Toptel is a great option. There is a reason Toptel only hires the top 3% of candidates. Because they have to put their money where they need it. In fact, every time you work with a new Toptel freelancer, you will have a trial period to decide if they suit your needs. If you don't find them cool, you won't be charged. Not to mention, you can even leave any work completed during that trial period. Likewise, Toptel's failure rate is extremely low. With a rigorous application process where experts test experts, it is difficult, if not impossible, for a poor freelancer to slip away. Let's say you're not sure if your freelancer will be able to connect and work with the project management and collaboration tools that you use in your firm. Toptel freelancers are well versed in various tools. They can join you and quickly adapt to your company. With Toptel, you have complete freedom to scale up or scale down your business. Flexibility is central to the game, and they provide workers only when you need them. No matter how much or how little help you need from Toptel freelancers, you can rest assured that the team will be by your side. They really value access to their freelancers. In fact, according to Toptal, they save more than $1 million a year for client companies. An added benefit of Toptal is that you don't have to worry about benefits, stock options, vacation time, unemployment, layoff issues, paperwork, recruiting time and costs, etc. They will take care of all the details for you, and you can be sure that you will receive a qualified, smart and reliable employee. Here's a rundown of what you need to do in order to hire from Toptal. Step 1. Submit your vacancy. The first thing you need to do is submit a vacancy. The more details you provide to Toptal, the easier it will be for them to understand your project and find the right freelancer for you. It doesn't matter if you need a single freelancer or a team of freelancers. Toptal can help you set up. You just need to be sure to include this information in your job application. Once they receive a job description, a team of experts will review it, contact you, and ask clarifying questions. Step 2. Toptal selects a freelancer for you. After Toptal provides you with all the details about your work, they will begin to select what is ideal for your project. Usually, you only need to wait a few days to get things off the ground. You can contact on Toptal to keep you updated on the progress of your recruitment. Step 3. You are picked up. Once Toptal has found a freelancer for you, they will introduce you and make a bid to get started as soon as you do. Step 4. Remember, there is no risk. One of the best parts of using Toptal to find a freelancer is the lack of risk. If after the trial period you are not 100% satisfied with who you were set up with, you can start the process over. Also, if you're not completely satisfied with the employee you worked with, you will not be held liable for any payments. Toptel is usually targeted at developers, financial experts, and project managers. You can be a freelancer, but you don't speak computer language. You might be better off switching to a virtual freelance platform that employs copywriters, graphic designers, and other types of freelancers. The next step is to apply as a freelancer.